Okay, hello everyone. Today I have Yihua 3005D revision 3 maybe. Okay, this is a 30 volt 5 amp power supply switching. Okay, of course this power supply is digital and I love the switching power supply instead linear power supply because switching power supply is more efficient, less heat, and hard to be repaired. Of course, this power supply is good, but I have some problem if this power supply is heat up. The voltage goes down and the power supply protect by restarting itself. I don't know. I have been checked. Only I have little solder drops, but I don't know from where. Overall, this power supply is good. The quality is decent. I love this fan. Only turn on if the power supply is hot enough. This power supply have a half-bridge topologies. We have input here, single pole switch, ground fuse. Okay, the input is here and goes to X capacitor and safety capacitor. Both is safety capacitor, and we have a NTC thermistor to limit surge current when start, and we have a dual mode, what I can call it, dual mode inductor. I don't know. This is for filtering low frequency, and the X capacitor is for filtering high frequency. Next we have oh, you can see. Next we have Y capacitor again, and big full bridge rectifier, and we have two 250 volt capacitor, so this is in series. Next we have a transistor switcher. I don't know it is BGT or MOSFET. It's driving by this gate transformer. Okay, we have film capacitor here. It's because this power supply have full bridge half bridge topologies. We have big transformer in here. Next we have inductor, but the inductor is in unique design because it's like transformer, not coil, but it is coil or inductor. And in this big heatsink we have a diode. The picture is dark. And back into here we have small switching mode power supply, maybe 5 volt for this control board. This is only boring flyback with independent chip all in one. We have fan connector. The fan only turn on when it's hot. Oh yeah, in here we have thermistor, and the fan controlled by this main board by this, I don't know, BGT or MOSFET. Oh yeah, at the back we have current sense resistor current sense resistor, and current sense resistor we have LDO here, IMS 1117, I forget. We have some pair of diode and octocoupler, and full bridge rectifier for a small switch mode power supply, and that's it. And this control board we have this chip for controlling this gate transformer. We have a microcontroller, and the four other is just op-amp, and this is display controller for 7 segment, all segment 7 segment. Just boring chips, and that's it. This is short video, only preview. Yes.